Let's start with something hauntingly beautiful. Space is completely silent. Unlike Earth, where sound travels through air, space is a vacuum. There's no air to carry sound waves, which means that in the depths of space, it's complete and utter silence. Imagine floating through that quiet darkness. It's peaceful, but also a little eerie, right? Here's something to wrap your head around. On Venus, a single day lasts longer than an entire year. Venus takes 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. So technically, if you were on Venus, you'd celebrate New Year's before the day even ended. Speaking of Venus, did you know that it's the hottest planet in the solar system? You might think Mercury, being closer to the Sun, would take that title. But Venus has a dense atmosphere filled with carbon dioxide, creating an intense greenhouse effect that traps heat. Temperatures on Venus can reach a whopping 475 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. Imagine this. On Neptune and Uranus, it actually rains diamonds. The intense pressure and high temperatures deep within their atmospheres turn carbon into diamond crystals that fall like rain. Talk about luxury weather. Mars isn't just the red planet, it's also home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. It's so massive that it stands 13.6 miles high and spans an area the size of France. That's nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Imagine hiking that. Here's a fact that will blow your mind. The universe has more stars than all the grains of sand on Earth's beaches. Scientists estimate there are 200 sextillion stars in the observable universe. That's a 2 followed by 23 zeros. Mind-boggling, isn't it? Did you know that days on Earth are actually getting longer? Thanks to the moon's gravitational pull, our planet's rotation is slowing down ever so slightly. Millions of years ago, a day on Earth was just 21.9 hours long. In the distant future, we might see 25-hour days. More time to binge-watch your favorite space videos, right? Let's talk about neutron stars, the densest objects in the universe. These stars are formed after a massive star explodes in a supernova. Just a sugar cube-sized piece of neutron star material would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. Yes, you heard that right. 1 billion tons in something that could fit in your hand. Here's a surprising one. Space has a smell. Astronauts have described the scent on their suits after spacewalks as similar to burnt steak, welding fumes, or gunpowder. This unique aroma comes from high-energy particles reacting with materials outside their spacecraft. Who knew space could smell like a barbecue? And now the most mind-blowing fact of all, the universe is expanding, and it's doing so faster than the speed of light. While nothing can travel through space faster than light, space itself can expand at incredible speeds, pushing galaxies farther and farther away. This means some parts of the universe will forever remain out of reach, no matter how advanced our technology becomes.